Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna play with the alphabet apple and learn all about letters, counting, spelling, memory, and time. Are you excited?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you excited?
Yes!
All right, let's learn. Wow! Look at all of the games we can play. What should we start with? Should we start with, Alphabet Explorer? That sounds so fun. Let's do it.
Ready for an alphabet apple adventure? Let's explore the alphabet. Press any button to learn. A comes before B.
Wow, it's right. A does come before B.
B comes after A. L is for lion. S comes before P. T comes after S. H is for horse. V comes before W. J comes after I. Z is for zipper. U comes before V. R comes after Q.
Wow, I feel like I'm learning so much. Should we play a different game?
Yes!
How about Hungry Worm?
Hungry. Catch the flashing apple for me to eat. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
We did it!
Catch the flashing apple for me to eat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Catch the flashing apple for me to eat. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, we're learning so much about counting.
Flashing apple for me to eat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent.
We did it! Should we play another game? How about quiz time?
Can you find the letter K?
Is that the letter K? No. There it is.
K.
We did it.
Can you find the letter U? U.
Wow!
Can you find the letter Z? Z.
We did it. Okay, let's play one more game.
L.
Follow the lights.
Watch the lights and then follow along. Get ready. Go. Good job. Press the buttons in the right order. Press the buttons in the right order. Good.
We did it.
Press the buttons in the right order. Try again.
Oh no.
Buttons in the right order. Excellent.
Wow.
See you later.
Wow, I feel like we learned so much today. We learned all about the alphabet, we worked on our memory, we even fed the worm. Thank you so much for watching. And from the Alphabet Apple and Moony, wave goodnight to the moon for me.